If you have this kind of old and boring trench coat, but you want to have something more fun and unique and whimsical, and you want to maybe release some stress while creating that, then let me show you how to do it. For the first part, you need some textile paints, brushes, and of course the good music. And then just move your hand. Don't think about it too much. Just make some shapes and shadows and lines. Doesn't really matter what kind of shapes you are doing, because after we're gonna do something else with that. So right now, just enjoy your music and let your hand fly. And now we have a second part. This is much more calmer and relaxed part. For this you need some squeeze bottles and of course textile paint. But this time you need the textile paint mixed with little bit water to make it a little bit more liquid. Otherwise it doesn't come out from the bottle. And then of course music again, and then you're just gonna start adding some lines and dots and rounds, just whatever it feels right. Don't overthink it, just let your hand move freely. This is where you can slow down and really get into the details. You can add so little or so much as you want, or not at all. You can see what I chose to do when you are looking at the end of the video. It may surprise you. But right now, you just listen your music and relax and enjoy drawing lines and dots wherever you just feel like it.
Tähed langevad kui lekk koos hoiab salateed, iga samm on peidetud, aga lootus elatud. Tule vaikne koits, valgus sünnib läbi öö. Tule vaikne koits, valgus ärkab minu sees. Silmis veel valgus peidus südameel, öö mind hoiab oma sees, aga koit on juba teel. Tule vaikne koit, valgus sünnib läbi öö. Tule vaikne koit, valgus ärkab minu sees. Tasamaad, udu tõuseb üle laa, esimene valguskiirgi murrab läbi vaikse piiri. Valgus tuleb vaikselt tule vaikne koit, valgus sünnib läbi öö. Tule vaikne koit, valgus ärkab minu sees. Vaikne praks käib vee sees läbi, vaikne hääl käib vee sees läbi. Maa teeb häält, jää see murdub. Maa teeb häält, maa teeb häält, maa teeb häält, elu liigub. Maa teeb häält, lumi lamab mulla peal, lumi lamab musta peal. Muld see hingab lume alla, muld see soojeneb seal alla. Maa teeb häält, jää see murdub. Maa teeb häält, maa teeb häält, maa teeb häält, elu liigub. Maa teeb häält, vesi liigub jää all tasa, vesi voolab vaikselt tasa. Tilk see kukub, tilk see jookseb, ojaks saab see väike jooksev. Maa teeb häält, jää see murdub. Maa teeb häält, maa teeb häält, maa teeb häält, elu liigub. Maa teeb häält, päev see kasvab, valgus kasvab, päev see tõuseb, valgus kasvab. Soe ei küsi enam luba, soe see tuleb, jääb ja lubab. Maa teeb häält, jää see murdub. Maa teeb häält, maa teeb häält, maa teeb häält, elu liigub. Maa teeb häält. Linnud tulevad üle vee, linnud tulevad taevateel. Hääl see murdub vaikse sisse, kevad kostab hääle sisse. Maa teeb häält, jää see murdub. Maa teeb häält, maa teeb häält, maa teeb häält, elu liigub. Maa teeb häält.
So, this is how it turned out. But after finishing a second part on one side, I actually look at the other side and I decided to leave the other side just the way it is, just with one layer. It's a little bit different. And now I have like two sides on one coat. And I really want to know, which side do you like more? The first one or the second one? And I even asked my friends. They have mixed reviews. Some likes one, some another. Anyway, I really like how it turned out. And I already gotten some few compliments from complete strangers, which honestly made my spring even better. So I hope this video inspires you to create something new, and maybe you released some stress as well. And if you created something like that, I would love to see how it turned out.